What are you going to be doing today?
I'm going to be teaching the kids.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, Margot, tell me the story.
Okay, I'm here because I'm helping you guys, and there's a lot of students here because I'm telling you guys about this, and it's very important. The new teacher comes here and tell you about the news, and tell you about the bones of your body, all the parts they might see on channels and news. So we'd like to tell you about, I would like to tell you about something which is very important. These are where the strings get pulled out of your wrist.
Whatever strings are, it's very included.
And your hand gets taken off.
That's very good. Very good, everybody.
And your arm can have no hands.
Ew! Heads, disgusting. Take off your heads.
I can show you how you get split.
Okay.
This is how you get split. The split comes in your body. They split it in your body. And your head gets chopped off and it freezes right here. And your body gets chopped off and one's like this, one's like this, and your head's chopped off, your body's chopped off. You only have one leg chopped off and two arms. And one leg by itself, no looking. And,
What happened there?
huh?
What happened there on that page?
Well, it's about the hands. And I'd like to tell you about the hands.
Okay, please tell us about the hands.
This is when you get paws.
This is when you get hands.
When you get hands and it hurts, that means you're gonna get hair on you're gonna get hair, and your hand's gonna get bigger, and you're gonna have big nails, and you pick up meat and you eat it, and it's an animal. And you get big and big and big. Because teachers know, because when they're young, their teachers told them. So when those little kids grow up, they will be a teacher, and they will tell all the little kids if they're in school, and if they want to go in school, and teach kids. These are your hand bones.
What's it doing? Hold on, what's it doing? Hold on, Margot.